Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by inspecting the clip for damage and loose parts so you know what to fix. This determines if you need a spring, screw, or glue. Once done, gather tools, needle nose pliers for bending, a small screwdriver for screws, and super glue for small breaks. Then lay a towel on your work surface to prevent losing tiny pieces. Make sure to separate similar parts and photograph the original alignment if the mechanism is complex. This saves time when reassembling and prevents guesswork later. You next disassemble the clip carefully, removing the spring or screw while noting orientation so reassembly is straightforward. Then realign any bent metal with needle nose pliers, and if plastic pieces are cracked, apply a thin bead of super glue and clamp briefly. Replace springs or tiny screws as needed. Once parts look aligned, test the mechanism gently. Make small adjustments rather than forcing. Because incremental tweaks reveal whether the clip will hold hair securely, you finish by reassembling the clip in reverse order, making sure the spring seats correctly and tension feels right when you press the clip open and closed. Once assembled, trim any excess glue and tighten screws just snug. Over-tightening can strip threads or bind the mechanism. Then perform a wiggle and hair hold test with different thicknesses of hair to confirm reliability. If it still slips or jams, check alignment and spring placement first. Replacing the spring usually resolves inconsistent closing or weak grip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.